the first do-or-die game of the season against the champion Bayern Munich. How important was this win also to reach the Final Four?
Important win, you know, huge. You know, something that, you know, we needed it, and this position, you know, we needed a win very bad. So, you know, it's perfect to get a good win, and you know, against a team like Munich, you know, that definitely gives us some momentum and some confidence going into our next games. You know, I can't say how important it was that we kept fighting as a team, and you know, we all had each other's backs. You know, we supported each other, and in the end, you know, we can get in the locker room and celebrate with each other. But you know, it's short-lived. You have to have short memory. We won this game, and you know, tomorrow we're back to work. You know, getting ready for the next game. So.
You played in front today, in front of the hot atmosphere, crowded arena. What do you think, or what do you say to the fans today?
Amazing feeling. You know, I want the fans to know that they really made a difference. You know, supporting us in a time where, you know, I guess you could say we were kind of, you know, down right now, but you know, the support was huge. We'd love to have them like this every game, you know, for the rest of the season. You know, this would be wonderful. And you know, together, in the end, you know, I think everyone will be happy.
Now going to the BBL top 4 in Oldenburg, what's the goal there?
To win, everything, to win. You know, I don't think any of us want to go there to, you know, be happy with second place or third or fourth or anything like that. You know, our goal is to win all the games that we can, and you know, that'll be another chance to prove that we're a solid team and that we can play, you know, play good. We can play great.
Thank you.